Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module I want to show you how you can create a formula that will automatically number a list for you as you enter items. So in the blue table on the left I've got this set up, so if I type anything in column D, when I press enter, column C will automatically pick up a number, the next one in the list. And if I keep going down, I'll just do one more, north. Put some figures in for the north, and the list is coming down. So that's what I want to do, to automatically create this list. Now in Excel you've got a function called sequence which will do this for you, but in Calc you haven't got the sequence function, but you can still achieve the same thing. So over here in the yellow area, if I click into the top cell there, this is the formula that I'm going to put in there. So equals if error, first off, open the bracket on if error, and then an if statement. So basically, if I9 equals 0, comma, don't do anything, comma, otherwise put a 1 there. Now close the if bracket, and then if there's an error, I don't want it to show anything either, so I'll just do quote quote, and then close the if error bracket. So just check I've spelt that right, tick that. So that's great. If I put something in there, I get a 1. Now underneath I need to add a 1 to this cell. So this is the formula now, this one. So if I type equals if error, open the bracket on that, and then if, and open the bracket on the if. So if I10 in this line, I10, so if I10 equals 0, comma, quote quote, do nothing, otherwise, comma, look at H9, which is this cell, H9, and add 1 to it, H9 plus 1. Close the if bracket on that, comma, and then if there's an error, I don't want to show anything, so quote quote, close that bracket. If error, check that, okay, tick, and then so if I put something in this top line, that should give me a 1. Now if I put something underneath it, it should give me a 2, which it does. And then if I put something underneath that again, it should give me a 3. Well, it will do when I pull it down, so I haven't pulled that down. And then I'll just do that again, put south there, so we've got all 4 compass points, and then I get 4. And obviously you put your sales figures in there as you're coming down. So that's just a very simple, quick video of how you can create a sequential list where automatic numbers as you're entering data. So that's all I want to talk about on this little video. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.